So next topic is straightness measuring through the straight edge tool. So this is a straight edge tool. Different type of straight edge tool is in there. So this is the one type of straight edge tool. What will happen? This is the flat surface or straight surface of the straight edge tool, where we can put one workpiece is in there. We have to check the straightness of this that workpiece. So we put that workpiece on this portion, this flat portion. So here is a three different way to check the straightness of the workpiece. So first one is checking through the visual effect. If one workpiece we are placed, then any gap in between them, then we can easily recognize through our visual inspection. Another is filler gauge. We know about the filler gauge. If any gap is in there between straight edge and the workpiece, we can put the filler gauge in between them, so we can measure the gap between them. And another third inspection method is light source. We put a light behind the workpiece and the straight edge. So if light is passing through the in between the gap, if light is passing, that time we have to consider that there is an no straight edge, okay, or that surface plate is the surface of both that workpiece, not both surface of the workpiece is not straight. That's how we measure the straight edge. Now what is the composition of this, or which material, by which material we are making this straight edge? It's basically it's cast iron we are using to make the straight edge, or gray cast iron also we use, and also steel and some alloy we are using to making the straight edge. And another topic is spirit level. We already known as this is the spirit level. So here what happened, you can see there is a green type of liquid is in there. Actually it's a ethanol based some oil is in there, and some bubble you can see here. You can see one bubble is in there. Actually what happened, this bubble will acting against gravitational force, or bubble is moving opposite in the gravitational force. So we when this this is flat surface and true surface, this one, when we put on some workpiece this spirit level, if there isn't some deflection, or flatness is not true, or straightness is not true, that time what will show, this bubble will move, either left side or right side. Okay, if it's true, then the bubble coming inside in between the this portion. Okay, so that's how we are measuring the straightness of the any workpiece, or it's also used in civil engineering department, where brick is a masonry department. So what happened, we are measuring the straightness through this spirit level. Hope you guys will understand. Okay, thank you.